In this video, I want to take a look at adding author notes to your slides in PowerPoint 2016. This is pretty much the same as it has been in all versions of PowerPoint. Author notes are notes that you add to a slide. They're not visible to your audience. They're just visible to you. There's two ways to actually make them visible. One is to print them out and have hard copies when you're giving your talk. The other one is if you have a two-monitor setup or you're doing it from a laptop and then you're projecting, you can actually open up the notes on the monitor that you're looking at, and the actual slideshow will appear on the projector. So we're just going to look at the paper way of doing it because we've only got one screen here. So let's go down to slide number 3 here. So usually when you do a slideshow, you don't put every single word of your presentation on the slides. What you do is you put some of the important points, and usually you elaborate on those points in your talk. So if you want to make sure that you don't forget something, you would probably want to put that in some author notes. Now, there's no reason you can't do this with a Word document and just write out your talk on a Word document, but here's the advantage of using notes. If you put notes in here, they are attached to your slideshow, and as long as you always have your slideshow, you will always have the notes. There's a little button down here labeled Notes, and if you click on that, it will raise a little area down here, and there's some text that's already here, and this is because it's a template that we downloaded. They actually have this stuff in here for us. You can just delete that, and you can type whatever you want in here. I'm just going to type my name. Yeah, I should probably capitalize my last name. So you can put it whatever you want to in here, and it'll be relevant to what's on the slide up here, and then this is what you would have in your hand when you actually give your talk. Now, if we go to a file and do a print command and go to let's go to our options here for printing. So the second option here is to print out notes pages, and if you print out notes pages, you'll get one slide, one page for every slide, and the slide will appear on the top half, and the bottom half will have your notes printed out for you. So you could take this entire slideshow, and if I scroll through it now, I'll see every one on the top now. Though they did put a couple more comments in here for author notes. And so I've got 14 slides, I get 14 pages of slides printed out, and on the bottom half of every one would be my author notes. So that's how you add author notes to a slideshow in PowerPoint 2016.